So this is the main screen for jGrasp. On the left-hand side is for file navigation. Below it will be for the projects. And in the middle is the window where you write your program. So now this is a program written in Java. So I don't expect you to understand every word in here. This is just for demonstration to show you how jGrasp looks like. On top, you have a menu for saving your file, for opening your file. We will concentrate on this area. Plus is for compiling. The running man is for running. The bug sign is for debugging, for correcting errors. And the next one will be for canvas viewer, and we're going to use it whenever we run a program and we'd like to show you how the program is running. We are going to use this viewer. In the beginning, you write your program, and then we check for syntax errors. If there are no errors, then you go to stage 2, you run your program. So to check for errors, you click compile, which is the plus sign, and the compiler will try to convert your program into bytecode and check for errors. As you can see, the operation complete without any errors. Now, suppose I delete this semicolon. And remember that for Java, every statement should be terminated by a semicolon. Every line or every command should be terminated by a semicolon. Now I forgot somehow to put semicolon. Let us see what happens if we try to compile the program. When you compile the program, here you will have a message, error message, telling you that you have a syntax error. When we increase the window, here it says that you have an error here. See the arrow? And this is a message indicates what is this error. It says semicolon expected. Sometimes the message printed by the Java compiler is useful. Now for this message, it is useful. It is going directly to the error. But sometimes you have an error message that is difficult to interpret, but by experience, you will be able to find out this syntax error. So when you go back to your program and put semicolon, compile the program again, and as you can see now, it is free of errors. Now you go to stage 2, you run the program. To run your program and see the result, you simply click the running person, and now the program is running. Now, as you can see, the program is asking enter a gross amount in BD. Now me as a user, I'm going to put a number and press enter. And the program is going to display an output, depends on what you write in your program and what is this program is for. We are going to solve this question and we are going to write this program after we explain to the students basics of Java, the commands, and it might take little time explaining the essentials of Java before going into the writing a complete program. Because if you want to write a complete program, then I need to explain the meaning of variables. As you can see here, we have variables. We need to explain how to print on the screen, and we are using here system.out.print. And also we need to explain how to read from the user when it asks for enter gross amount. Your program is going to read 3,400 and save it into a variable. So after we know these 3 steps, variables, how to print, and how to read from the user, then we will be able to solve some questions using jGrasp.